How to get a chicken emote in Clash Royale. So the chicken emote in this game is one of the most iconic and funny emotes in the game, but it's not always available. But here's how you can get it. So originally, the chicken emote was released as a part of a special event and limited time challenge. Supercell occasionally brings it back during seasonal events, anniversary celebrations, or shop offers. So your best bet is to keep an eye on the in-game shop and the events tab. Sometimes the emote is included in emote offers, Pass Royale rewards, or special tournaments. You can also check the daily shop rotation, since exclusive emotes, including the chicken, occasionally reappear there for purchase using gems or real money. So if you don't see it right now, don't worry, Supercell regularly brings back classic emotes. Just keep checking the shop and event rewards, and you'll eventually spot the chicken emote when it returns. Guys, hopefully this helps you out. We make genuine tutorials on how to get some different emotes and other items in this game, unlike other channels. So if you enjoy, press like on the video and subscribe.